And Ambika, I mean, so a lot of people who have been reaching out to us asking how they can break into the fintech industry. So for an outsider, I mean, someone who's trying to switch mid-career, let's say, what are some of the profiles or what are some of the career paths that they can explore in fintech? And how I want you to explain the answer is the career paths and also the type of skill sets or the type of, background that can realistically help a person transition into those routes.
So, see, it depends the type of role you want to get into. If it's more, um, if it's more sales or business or maybe a supporting function, I do think the basics remain the same, right? Like at the end of the day, sales is not that different. It's just you obviously have to have that basic product understanding, but apart from that, the even in a product role, right? The basic skill set is the same. I'd say how it's evolved now is that instead of looking for generalists, which I think was the case maybe 4 5 years ago, a lot of folks are looking for people who already come in with some background, right? In it doesn't have to be fintech, it could be even fintech adjacent, but you do have to have some understanding of how the system works, and it just helps you to ramp up that much quicker, right? I think that has been one major change, going from that generalist to sort of specialist role where you're looking for people to come in and immediately start adding value. It's not that in 3 4 months, they get the context, they figure out how things work, and then they start giving inputs. I'd say in the age of AI, it's become a lot easier to get this context. I think the biggest thing that's helped me is actually and even this role at Setu, right? What's really helped me is actually putting myself out there, doing a lot of writing. I find that that's been the best way to actually get a lot of inputs from folks, right? I've had so many people cold reach out and say, hey, I didn't understand this. Can you explain this better? Or even some folks who reach out and say, hey, this is wrong. I don't think you've got it right. And there I maybe get on a call or have like just a discussion over LinkedIn chat or even WhatsApp with them and say, hey, what do you think I got wrong? But, you know, that's sort of enhanced my understanding. But that's also, I think, word of mouth travels fast, right? So it's sort of made me into a person where folks will message me and say, hey, I spoke to this person. They had good things to say about you. You seem to understand or you seem to explain it well. So really breaking in now, I think, is to like build your network, position yourself as somebody who at least is thinking about things in the right way, right? And that doesn't necessarily have to be fintech specific, right? Tomorrow, if you want to break into something else, something within e-commerce, let's say, I would prescribe the same steps. It's just that the subject that you're discussing becomes different.